This is a filtered shower head for healthier skin and hair. In the box here, you get your shower head here and your user manual, and then it does come with some extra gaskets if you need to replace that so it is not leaking out. I will show you how easy this is to install and how quickly you can be on your way to healthier skin and hair.
Here you can see how easy it is to install this shower head. It just twists right on to your existing plumbing. I really love that this shower head doesn't have just one mode, it has 6 modes. So by clicking down this little lever on the shower head, you can cycle through all the different mode options that you have there to choose from and decide which one you want based on the pressure and comfort level of showering.